M&A, as the name suggests, it's very wide spectrum. When you merge companies, it could be company A merging with company B. It could be a demerger whereby some business division and unit of a certain company gets demerged and goes into another company. It could also mean a business transfer. As a slum sale, you transfer the business. It's called a business transfer. It could be outright buying of companies' shares. You just acquire the shares. It could also be not acquiring the entire company, picking up some minority stake, could be majority stake, could be a joint venture, could be reverse merger. So there is a complete spectrum of many kinds of things that one can do when we are talking about mergers and acquisitions. Therefore, what one needs to do is to see not that all M&As will be dealt by the same kind of structuring, documentation, and even legal provisions. Depending upon the kind of M&A transaction that we are doing, we will have to see what documentation is required, what are the key legal provisions, policies, and other things that are applicable. So it's quite complex that way, but broadly, I can tell you in my experience, when we do any M&A transaction, there are certain key legislations and policies and provisions which get applicable, and this slide shows that. So let's begin with the Companies Act. See, I think that whatever the transaction is, whether you merge, you demerge, you do a slum sale, you do any kind of share acquisition, change the board of directors, or do any kind of things, taking the control of a company, even passing basic resolutions like board resolutions, shareholders resolution. If the M&A transaction is between related party entities, then the concept of related party approvals with respect to related party, everything is given in the Companies Act.